I've been asked several times about the modifications I did to this Prince's Auto or Harbour Freight type sandblasting unit, because it works remarkably well, but not with the Prince's Auto or Harbour Freight setup. The casing's good, but the Harbour Freight gun was a waste of time. Let me show you the difference. This is the gun that came with the kit. It's absolutely worse than useless. You put your air in there and your sander medium is sucked up here. But the Eastwood one, which is here, came as part of a kit with a foot pedal for down below. Alright, so your air comes into here, comes up this red line and attaches to a flexible hose here, and then your sand medium, well, I'll show you that in a minute. But this is really nice and easy to use. I was thinking about cutting this off here because I'd no longer need a hook. You can get different types, but it's so simple it's stupid, if you see what I mean. And it mixes really, really well. Now, talking about mixing, the modification I made to my pickup was not to pick up sand from the hopper itself, this bit, you know, like a siphon, but allow the sand to come down into a collection here with a drop off here. This is an inch and, I think it's 1 3/4 fittings, and simply put an air bleed here. Now this is quite important because when you're sucking sand up, you can allow a little bit of air to come in here to mix with air, so it gets sucked up a lot easier, and I think that's the key to it. It's been working well for almost a year, well over a year now I think. I had no problems with it at all, and it's only just sort of pipe fittings, so take a good look at it and you can make one yourself. Now I use all sorts of medium, from sand, soda, anything really. Yeah, not a problem. It really works well. But I also have here is a dust extractor. Well, that's worth its weight in gold. I know you can make one, but I put it through the business and it was cheap enough. So, because the cabinet's okay, but the screen's not very good. I don't like that. I need to think of a better way for the screen. But to get the sand blasting itself working is no problems at all. No problem. That's all you need, is just that little setup. I'd give you a demonstration, but we'll have sand everywhere. But it doesn't pick up sand from the hopper like the Prince's Auto one. It's kind of important. I also have a lot of compressed air, and depending on the medium that you're using, the regulator I've put on the top there, so you can, like if you're using glass bead, you don't want all that much pressure, because you don't want the glass beads to shatter. The rest of the mediums, well, you can play around with. Sand, it doesn't really matter. But when you're using glass bead, you use it sort of for putting a finish on aluminium, and you don't want it to, you want to use that glass bead as much as you can. So that was it. But apart from that, I'm sure you can make one of those yourself. Not a problem at all. Just look at where the air lines go. This blue line is your air in from your regulator. Red line goes into your casing, where it goes through a bulkhead fitting to this yellow hose, which was yellow. This hose here goes to your gun. This one here comes to your medium, which is sucked up through that hose there. Easy. Alright, hope you find that useful, and get back to me if you need any more information.